Like that to me is the part.
So here, that's a good one.
You guys, this little thing is ripping. We've had this since 2023. So, yeah, it's about time we're gonna upgrade his little pram because he loves it. Just a little backstory. He's not a bougie dog. He just has very short legs and he's 10 years old. And we've noticed a little bit of shaking, more shaking on the arms. So he's been using the pram a little bit more. So, and we want him to come with us, so it's easy to have him, and he loves it. So yeah, he just loves the pram. We got it for him for a reason, because he's a little short dog. If you've ever had a Dachshund, you know they've got little sensitive backs and short legs. So we just want him to be as comfortable as possible. Really quickly, I wanted to let you know that this thing is amazing. 10 out of 10. When we looked it up on Amazon, it said that 25,000 has been purchased. So that's what made us buy it. And let me tell you, it blows freezing cold air. And it cools this place down within 30 minutes. So really happy with this. Really happy with how cool it keeps the place. And we don't leave it on when we leave. We just close the curtains, leave the fan on for Ozzy, just in case. You never know. But yeah, we always just do that, especially, you know, with stuff like that. So, but yeah, it's really, really good. I'll leave the link down below if you want it. I paid this with my own money, so just thought I'd let you know. All right, so I want to show you the treats that I get from Trader Joe because they are delicious.
So our top snacks from Trader Joe.
Top snacks. This one, I call them cakes, but they're ice cream sandwiches. I love these. Delicious. And my staple. These I always buy every time I go to Trader Joe's. And we love California pizza. And this is the closest that we have found. Like, it tastes the same pizza, so really good. We had that yesterday and it's so good. So yeah, and then we had some, what is it, red velvet cupcakes. I was gonna say chocolate cakes, but they're so freaking good. Look, you guys, I just love the way she does Richard's hair. So good. You have to come right here because that's where she's at.
Is this Mummy?
Mame? What is that?
Expensive. It's $5 a pound.
$5 a pound? Well,
This one here is $10. What is that?
Mame. That's
Mame?
from Mexico. Oh, cool. Look, they have like where it comes from. So these come from Ecuador. Oh, they're nice and soft. Manga. I can't say that one, so I'll just.
Mango.
Oh, these are so cute. I like the green one. Yeah, isn't it nice?
I like how they put this like
The-
so
yeah.
it's not like rough to
Yeah.
those plates.
Oh, those are pretty. Oh, $2.99
For
for the salsa.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. I like that one. That one's
That one's
nice.
really nice. Kit.
Oh wow. Hey.
De la Frida.
Hey.
The good.
Whoa. $4.79. Now this would be very nice.
For the brewskis.
Cafecito. Chorizo salvadoreño. Interesting.
Off like the bits of bacon.
Alright guys, so we just got our juice stuff for juice, but I love my haircut. It is so pretty. She did such an amazing job. She did Richard's hair as well. All, like for 2 haircuts, a blowout, it came out to $95 for the both of us. Insane. And I got my layers. So the girl is happy.
Alright, so yeah, what I can do is the way our process works, we actually usually will have our bonding specialist speak to you next.
Good morning, everyone. It is very overcasted today, so I don't like it. But Richard went to the new grocery bargain store here on Sunset, so he's there because I got I got little man. So yeah, I can't go in, but yeah, he came with us because yeah, he just kept crying, and so we were like, just come with us. I need I need a coffee, so I need to wake up. So crazy. So my allergies are going crazy. I don't know. My body is adjusting to the weather, but let me tell you, this face feels like I have another face on top. Like, it feels so puffy. I don't like allergy season. Okay, I'm not a good sport about it, but yeah, let's get some coffee to wake up. You guys, the lady came up and took a photo of us, and then she printed an apple. I didn't know that Boca de Pepo did that. It's pretty cool. Okay. Ozzy, this way. Ozzy. I have no idea.
Be worth probably taking a look at. I don't think they have studios though, but the one bedroom is not too bad.
Universal City. Wow, we just walk it. Oh my lord. Ooh.
Actually, might take this one over there.
Yeah, eventually I think I will do.
So that you brought that, so that way you can just take it off. Cinemas. NBC Universal.
So pretty. So pretty. Horchata?
I brought my wallet.
You sell horchata? Come see. Hey guys, so we're here at a taco place and we're gonna eat some tacos. The Sheraton and the Hilton is right here, so yeah, we're just going for a walk. Just such a beautiful weather, so let's eat some tacos.
like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어.
Hey guys, so we are heading off to Runyon Canyon Lookout. We haven't gone to that. We haven't explored that one just yet, so we're going today. Richard is on his lunch, but I have been loving this chick. Her name is Ella Langley. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But it's called Choosing Texas. Let me tell you, it's one of my favorite songs. Okay. And I'm guessing she's a country singer from Tennessee. Been listening to her and loving her music. It's pretty good. Not bad at all. I like it. And I love every genre, but I'm specifically like old school R&B, old school hip hop kind of girl. So yeah, this one's fun. So let's go enjoy some music and the lookout.
No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 맘을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and lead? 근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어 가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려. 애써 맘 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까. 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까. 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔 불그스름한 노을의 때깔. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and lead? I just wanna know what you're thinking, wondering. Not gonna do another pick and choosing you with me.
See the whole park.
Look at that.
상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고
It's funny because we came from there and then we're like
How did we end up on this side?
we like looped around.
Baby can't you come with me?
Not bad on this place.
Can't you hold my
Hard to think like where you how we loop.
There's more over here. Oh wow. Oh yeah. This one's big. Hey guys, the Sheridan is right there. We used to, every time we used to go there, we used to look out and just be like, one day we're gonna be in this area. And now this is a beautiful lookout. The gates are closed, but it's open, so yeah. Full of greenery. Thank God I took an allergy pill. All of this. Alright guys, so that was so much fun. That is so beautiful, this scenic look. We could see everything, the Sheraton, Universal Studios, Warner Brothers, Burbank, everywhere we go shopping. But it's so freaking beautiful, and the air is crisp. It's so nice. It was windy, a little windy, but it was really, really nice. It got packed quickly. It was just me, Richard, and like another guy there, and then like 5 minutes later it was like packed. So yeah, it does get packed, but it was beautiful. Alright, now let's go. Windy road. Richard had to drive because if I drove, Richard would get sick, so he has to drive. I don't get sick, so yeah, it's crazy. But this one time we went in Tucson, we went with some friends, and Richard was like in the passenger seat and I was like at the very back seat, and Richard got really sick, so he has to drive every time we go like in a windy road. So yeah, it's not fun, but it happens to the best of us, don't it?
Sure does.